In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a store to your Wix website. Whether you're planning to sell products, offer services, or even distribute digital downloads, adding an online store can open up many opportunities for your business. Let's dive right in to guide you through each step using the Wix Editor Classic. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix dashboard. If you haven't yet, log into your account at wix.com. Once there, you can select your existing site, or if you're just getting started, you can click on Create New Site to build one from scratch. This will be your foundation for adding your online store. Next, let's add the Wix Stores app to your site. In the site editor, look to the left sidebar for the Add Apps icon, also known as the App Market. Simply click on this and search for Wix Stores. Once you find it, click Add to Site and wait a few moments as it installs. With the Wix Stores app now added, your site will automatically include important pages such as a shop or store page, a product page template, and cart and checkout pages. These are essential components for any online store and will help you manage your sales seamlessly. Now it's time to add some products to your store. Access the store products panel through either the editor or your dashboard. Once open, look for the option to plus new product and click on it. You'll be given the choice of what type of product you want to sell, be it a physical product like clothing or jewelry, or a digital file such as ebooks or music. Fill in all the necessary details about your product, including its name, a compelling description, the price, and don't forget to upload high-quality images or even videos. Setting your inventory and shipping details correctly is crucial for operational efficiency, so make sure to fill those out thoroughly. Once everything's in place, hit Save. The final step in our guidelines is customizing the design of your store. While still in the editor, click over to your product gallery or store page. Here you can use design settings to tweak various aspects such as layout, spacing, colors, and fonts to reflect your brand's personality and aesthetics. You can select from a variety of layout styles, such as a grid gallery, a slider gallery, or even a more creative masonry layout. Each option offers a different look, so feel free to explore which one works best for your content and consumer experience. And that's it. By following these steps, you should now have a fully operational store integrated into your Wix website. Building an online store with Wix is a streamlined process that, when done right, can enhance your business's reach and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new online store.